Police outnumber the public on the streets of Rome. At checkpoints, anyone passing needs a permit and a reason why. Enforcement appears calm and compliant, but this is only day 2 of at least 24. And the cracks are appearing already. My sister is dead in her bed, says Gomorrah actor Luca Francesi, posting this video with his sister's body behind him after she reportedly died of COVID-19. More than 24 hours after her death, he claims he's had no help from authorities. This queue for a supermarket shows Italians are taking the lockdown rules seriously. Now a 1-metre separation in public spaces. Keeping people apart is an essential measure to save lives and precious hospital space. The director of intensive care for Lombardy, the worst-hit region, describes the pressure.
It's like a bomb that exploded. Like all of a sudden you are like really submerged of patients. So it's like a tsunami that comes.
And knowing what you know now, what would be your message to other countries, other healthcare systems?
Get ready, because when it starts, then it's again like an explosion.
The Prime Minister today announced a €25 billion fund to spend on this crisis, but it's already costing the country hugely. Rome's Trevi Fountain is one of Italy's most famous sites, now virtually deserted. Anyone passing checked for a permit. And the government isn't ruling out even tougher measures than this. At the moment, people even simply stopping in the street are made to move on. Businesses like restaurants and cafes are allowed to open until 6 p.m, but they could be closed altogether along with public transport. This is simply the beginning of how limited life could get. The head of the country's emergency planning admits Italy acted too late.
These measures, they come slowly, because all the country have to be somehow brought to these kind of measures.
Is the lockdown going to be extended?
The lockdown will stay as long as it is necessary.
One of the first red zones to be locked down is showing promise in containing the virus spread. But as numbers surge across the country, there's a fear this lockdown could get tougher and longer.